A deep dive into the diverse world of shellfish. Shellfish, a culinary and ecological treasure trove, encompass a vast array of aquatic invertebrates characterized by their protective outer shells. 1. This group, while not taxonomically unified, is broadly categorized for culinary and commercial purposes, offering a spectrum of flavors, textures, and nutritional benefits. 2. From the delicate sweetness of scallops to the briny tang of oysters, shellfish have captivated palates across cultures and centuries. This article delves into the major types of shellfish, exploring their characteristics, habitats, culinary uses, and ecological significance. Understanding the broad categories. Shellfish are generally divided into two main categories: mollusks and crustaceans. 3. While both share the common trait of possessing a shell, they differ significantly in their anatomy and physiology. 1. Mollusks. The soft-bodied wonders. Mollusks are a diverse phylum, comprising a wide range of shelled and shell-less creatures. 4. They are characterized by a soft body, often enclosed within a hard, calcareous shell. 5. The major groups of mollusks consumed as shellfish include bivalves. These are characterized by two hinged shells. 6. Oysters. Known for their briny, metallic flavor and smooth, irregularly shaped shells. They filter feed, playing a crucial role in water purification. 7. Oysters are consumed raw, cooked, or smoked, and are prized for their unique taste and texture. 8. Clams. These have a more rounded, symmetrical shell compared to oysters. They bury themselves in sand or mud and are filter feeders. Clams are versatile, used in soups, chowder, pasta dishes, and steamed preparations. Mussels. These have elongated, dark-colored shells and are typically found attached to rocks or other surfaces. 9. They are filter feeders and are commonly steamed or used in stews. Scallops. Distinguished by their fan-shaped shells and adductor muscle, the part we eat, which has a sweet, delicate flavor. 10. Scallops are often pan-seared or grilled. 11. Cockles. Small, heart-shaped bivalves with ribbed shells. They are found in sandy or muddy areas and are often steamed or pickled. Gastropods. These have a single, spiral shell. 12. Abalone. Large, single-shelled mollusks with a muscular foot. Their meat is prized for its tender texture and delicate flavor. Abalone are often sliced thinly and sautéed. 13. Whelks. These are sea snails with a spiral shell. 14. They are found in shallow waters and are often cooked by boiling or steaming. Periwinkles. Small, edible sea snails found on rocky shores. They are usually cooked by boiling and are often eaten whole. Cephalopods. While not always considered shellfish in the strict sense, some have internal shells. They are often grouped due to their culinary importance. Squid. These have an internal shell pen, and are characterized by their elongated bodies and tentacles. Squid are versatile, used in calamari, stir-fries, and stews. 15. Octopus. Also possessing internal shell rudiments. They have 8 tentacles and a bulbous head. Octopus meat is firm and chewy and is often braised or grilled. 16. Cuttlefish. These have a cuttlebone, internal shell, and are characterized by their flattened bodies and ability to change color. 17. Their meat is tender and has a sweet flavor. 2. Crustaceans. The hard-shelled arthropods. Crustaceans are arthropods, characterized by their segmented bodies and hard, exoskeletons. 18. They shed their shells, molt, as they grow. Major crustacean groups include decapods. This order comprises crustaceans with 10 legs. 19. Crabs. These have a broad, flat carapaced shell, and powerful claws. 20 crabs are found in various habitats, from shallow waters to deep seas. Examples include king crabs, large, prized for their sweet, succulent meat. 21. Dungeness crabs, known for their sweet, delicate flavor. 22. Blue crabs, prized for their flavorful, lump, and claw meat. 23. Lobsters. These have elongated bodies, large claws, and a distinctive tail. Lobsters are found in cold, rocky waters and are prized for their firm, sweet meat. Shrimp. These have elongated bodies and are found in various habitats. 24 Shrimp are versatile, used in stir-fries, soups, and grilled preparations. 25. Prawns. These are similar to shrimp but are generally larger. They have larger second pincers than shrimp do. Crayfish. These are freshwater crustaceans that resemble small lobsters. They are found in rivers, lakes, and swamps. Crayfish are often boiled or steamed. 26. Ecological significance. Shellfish play crucial roles in marine and freshwater ecosystems. 27. Filter feeders. Bivalves, in particular, are essential filter feeders, helping to maintain water quality by removing suspended particles and algae. 28. Food source. Shellfish are a vital food source for numerous marine animals, including fish, birds, and marine mammals. 29. Habitat providers. Oyster reefs and mussel beds provide habitat and shelter for a variety of marine organisms. 30. Nutrient cycling. Shellfish contribute to nutrient cycling by filtering organic matter and releasing nutrients back into the water column. 31. Culinary importance and safety. Shellfish are a globally popular food source, prized for their unique flavors and textures. 32 However, it is essential to handle and prepare shellfish safely to prevent foodborne illness. Freshness. Ensure shellfish are fresh and properly stored. 33. Cooking. Cook shellfish thoroughly to kill any harmful bacteria or viruses. 34. Allergies. Shellfish allergies are common and can be severe. 35 Be aware of potential allergies and exercise caution. Environmental factors. Be mindful of the environmental surroundings the shellfish were harvested in, as pollution and toxins can be a risk. 36. The world of shellfish is a vast and fascinating one, encompassing a wide range of creatures with unique characteristics and culinary uses. From the humble clam to the majestic lobster, shellfish have played a vital role in human diets and ecosystems for centuries.